Welcome, my student. Today we are providing a new activity in which we are illustrating together the structure of the compound light microscope. So let's get started. First of all, the compound light microscope using a beam of light. This beam of light has a lot of sources. Maybe the sun, but in this case you're going to have a mirror instead of having a bulb. And now in this microscope we are using a light source in form of a lamp. Okay, so if we are looking for the microscope, we're going to find out that here there is a light source. In this case it's a lamp. The light will go through a condenser. The function of the condenser is to control the amount of light passing through the specimen. So here we can control the amount of light that can passing by the condenser in order to fall on the specimen. Okay, here through the condenser. Yes. So after the light source, we have the condenser. After the condenser, we have a stage. The function of the stage at which the specimen will be placed. The specimen should be mounted on a slide. Here is a glass slide. Specimen has to be mounted on the slide. Then we will place the specimen on the stage, and the specimen will be firmly, secured by a stage clip. This is called a stage clip. And on the stage we have a lot of movement structure that allow the stage to move forward and backward, and even they allowing the specimen to move into the left and to the right in order to adjust the proper scene in which we will examine our specimen. Afterward, we have a nose piece. This is called nose piece. The nose piece has many types of objective lenses. So if you have a look here, for example, starting by the small magnification power, if I take it out, for example, here we have a lens which is 4x. 4x means it can magnify the object 4 times. Okay, here is the objective lens. It's written on the lens itself, its magnification power. Here it's written 4. Here it's written 4x, which means 4 times the magnification power of it. Okay, always when we're examining in a specimen, we are starting by the lowest magnification power. Okay, afterward we have the next higher magnification power, which is 10x. Afterward we have 40, and eventually we have the 100, which is the oil lens. So this is the nose piece in which the objective lens are being attached. While we are examining, we have to select the lowest magnification power in the beginning in order to examine or to determine where our specimen is. Then we are bring it to focus. How that is being accomplished? The stage itself can be raised up and down using adjustments. Those adjustments are 2 types. There's coarse adjustment. If you have a look here, the big adjustment is called coarse adjustment. Okay, it is moving the stage up and down, in long distances or relatively long distances. But they fine adjustment, they are adjusting the resolution. It moves in the stage, but very few distance in order to adjust the resolution. So first, if you would like to examine in a specimen, you will place the slide on the stage and firmly securing it by the clip. Afterwards, you will be sure that the specimen is in the proper position. How we can do this? By even looking through the light passing through the specimen that you mounted on the slide. Afterward, you will adjust the magnification power or the objective lens to the minimum. Here is the minimum magnification power, which is here 4, and you will raise up the stage to the top. This is one of the tricks that you have to be sure of it. Why? Because if you are doing this using another lens, you may break the the slide itself. So now the specimen is in the slide. The slide is mounted on the stage. The stage is being secured by the clip. The coarse adjustment taking the stage to the highest level. Afterward, you will examine it using the eyepiece. Okay, the eyepiece itself has a eye lens. If we take it out, we have here a lens. Okay, even I can take it out in order to let you know what its magnification power. I can, okay, take it out, and inside it there is a lens. Here is the lens, and in most cases the lens written in it, its magnification power, okay, mostly it's 10x or 10 times magnification. In order to calculate the total magnification power, we have to multiply the magnification power of the objective lens times the magnification power of the eye lens. The total will be the total magnification power. In this case, what written here, written 4x or 4 times magnification power. And here it's 10. So 4 times 10 equals 40. So the total magnification power in this case equals 40. You got it? Yes. So afterwards, you can use, some microscopes have only one, okay, eye lens. It's monocular. And in other cases, such like this one, has 2 eye pieces, which in this case a biocular. Okay. You can even use one or both as you wish. In most cases, they are using the second one in order to have a stage micrometer that you are using it in calculating the magnification. You got it? Which is really, really useful, but it will be in the advanced level later, inshallah. So then after being sure that the slide is secured, okay, passing by the light properly, and the stage is being raised to the highest level using a coarse adjustment, then you will have a look through the eyepiece and have a look through your specimen. Okay, if the field needs more light, you will control this by the condenser. Okay, to control the amount of light passing by the filter. Okay, afterward you will try to move the coarse adjustment, moving the stage downward, away from the lens in this case. Okay, till you have the image, the clearer image that you can see. It will not be that very clear, because the job now is for the fine adjustment. You got it? Afterward, you're gonna move the stage a little bit downward, then you will have the more clearer image. Afterward, you will start to decrease or to manipulate the fine adjustment to find out the best resolution. Okay, so let's sum it up. This is a compound light microscope. The source here is a beam of light. In our case, we are using a bulb. Okay, even we can control the amount of light or the light intensity using a controller here. Afterward, the lamp can be switched on or switched off. Then we have a condenser in order to allow the amount of light passing through the specimen, okay, because not all of the specimen need the same amount of light intensity. Afterward, we have the stage in which we are placing the slide. The slide is being secured by a stage clip. The stage itself can move forward and backward using those handles, even to the specimen on the slide. The slide can move to the right and to the left using handle as well. The stage can move up and down using a coarse adjustment, okay, and you can even manipulate the resolution using the fine adjustment. Afterward, we have the nose piece, in which there are the different objective lens. Each one of them has a specific magnification power written on it, okay. In order to adjust it also firmly, there is a tick sound you have to listen, okay, while you are doing this. If you focus, there is a tick sound indicating that you properly choose the correct lens, okay, and the lens is perfectly on the specimen, okay. After that, we have the eye lens that you have to have a look on what written on the magnification power in order to calculate properly, the total magnification power by multiplying the power written here or by the power written on the objective lens. Okay, the microscope also has a major part, okay, such like there is the arm through which you can carry the microscope, okay, And here is the eyepiece, the stage, objective lens, the light source. And those are the basic parts of the compound light microscope.